Look at this. And now look at this. Same exact model, same camera. The only thing that changed is the lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to light your 3D scenes using 3-point lighting. The same technique they use in movies, photography and interviews, but inside Blender, on your own models. We've got 3 lights, the key light, the fill light and the backlight. Here's the setup we're using today. Let's build it step by step. Alright, let's start with the key light. This is your main light source. If you only had one lighting in your scene, this is the one you'd use. It's placed to the side of the camera, somewhere between 20 or 45 degrees, left or right of your model. Doesn't really matter which side. Notice how one side of the model is lit and the other side is falling into shadow. That's expected. We are not done yet. Now let's add the fill light. The fill light goes on the opposite of the key light, and its job is simple. It fills in those dark shadows without whipping them out completely. A good starting point is about 50% of your key light's intensity. You can push it lower for a more dramatic, moody look, or higher if you want things more even and soft. See how the shadow side isn't pitch black anymore? That is the fill doing its job. Last one, the backlight. This one goes behind your model, and its whole purpose is separation. Pulling your subject away from the background so it doesn't just blend in and disappear. Watch what happens when I turn it on and off. That little rim of light around the edges, that's what makes your render pop. Now, a background isn't technically part of 3-point lighting, but here's a quick trick. Render a PNG of your model and send it to Gemini or ChatGPT and ask it to add a background without touching your model. Use the result directly or just as a reference and build it yourself in Blender. Honestly, it's better to do this earlier while you're picking your references, not after you've already finished the render. By the way, the full tutorial for this model plus the model itself is up on ArtStation, links down below if you want it. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.